What's up YouTube, it's your girl Dem Face and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing y'all how to install this 13x4 lace front wig, and this is a 24-inch wig. I forgot the name of the wig, but I'm gonna drop it right here for y'all. But I already put my wig cap on, did my ball cap miff and all that. So now I'm just getting ready to cut the ear tabs off. So I'm going in with my ebony lace wig glue, and I did 4 to 5 layers of glue. If you do 4 to 5 layers of glue, that will have your wig good for at least 3 to 4 weeks. And I went on and did 4 layers. And please, before you lay that wig down, make sure that your glue is clear. You don't want to lay that wig down and your glue still is white, because once you lay that wig down and your glue still white, baby girl, hang it up, because that wig is gonna be over with, that lace gonna be tacky, and it's not going to give you that natural look. And make sure y'all pull that wig a little bit down in front of the cap. Do not put the wig hairline directly on the ball cap. Pull it down just a little bit in front of the cap. So I'm going in with the end part of red tail comb, just pressing it down into the glue. And then I'm going to take a comb and comb it backwards, just to make sure that that glue is really coming intact with that lace. Some people like to blow dry it once they do that, but me, I just prefer to just mash it in. And once I get done doing all of that, I'm going to take my milk belt and just tie that around and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And y'all, this is another step to getting that natural look, to make sure that that lace is really melted. So if you don't have a milk belt, go get one. So right here, I'm just cutting my lace into sections. That works better for me. I know some people can cut their lace off before they even glue the wig down. But me, I gotta cut my lace into sections, because I don't want to cut too much lace off and then my wig be messed up. So either way, you can do whichever one work for you, but this worked best for me. I'm going to go in with that eyebrow razor to cut the lace off, and that's going to give it that natural look. It's going to give it that jagged look, that natural hairline look. And whatever you don't cut off with that razor, you can always go in with scissors. So once you cut that lace off and you will see it's areas that need more glue, just go in with something small like a rat tail comb and add a little bit of glue to that. You don't want to add too much glue at first, because if you add too much glue at first, it's going to be a wrap. You're not going to be able to correct your mistake, because that lace is going to look yucky and it's not going to give it that natural look. So this is the best way to do it. Just go back and add more glue if you have to. So right here, I'm just parting the perimeter of my hairline just all around, but you don't want to part a big part like with a whole bunch of hair out. Just do a little bit of hair out, like as if you're finna do baby hairs. So right here I'm going in with my makeup brush that have some foundation on it, and I'm just rubbing it into that part that I parted around the perimeter of my hairline. And you can use the foundation that you use to do your ball cap method, whatever matches your skin, powder, liquid, whatever. So right here, I'm just twisting the hair up out of my way, and then I'm going to go in with that Got to Be freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray that part. This is going to make that part look real natural when you get ready to do the baby hairs. So once you get done spraying that part, put that melt belt on it, and this is going to give it even a more natural and melt look. So after I get done letting that milk belt sit on my head for 10 minutes, I'm combing the hair back, because if your freeze spray is like mine, it spray crazy, and I know some of it got on the hair instead of just getting on the part. But it's okay. That's another reason why you don't go crazy with the freeze splash spray. So I know some people, when they do their baby hairs, they like to part the baby hairs across and bring all their hair down. Me, I just like to bring down the hair pieces of where I want my baby hairs to lay. That way I won't have all that unnecessary hair down and just cutting it for no reason. So I like to go in with an eyebrow razor to cut my baby hairs, because once again, that eyebrow razor give it that jagged natural look. And I cut them short, but I don't cut them too short, because once you get done slicking the hair down, if the hair is not short enough, you can always go in with scissors and cut the rest of the hair off. And once you get done slicking your baby hairs down, you can go in with a headscarf and leave that around for 10 minutes and bam,